In any application, if you want to speed up your workflow, then it is a good idea to use shortcut keys. So for example, if I want to use, let's say for example, a shortcut key to copy and paste this content out, I can click on the content, I can press Ctrl C and V, and what happens is that the content will be copied and pasted out instantly right here without you having to manually go through the menus and so forth by using a mouse. So to know what shortcut keys you can use to actually go around and then speed up your workflow, you can press Shift question mark on your keyboard and you'll get the list of shortcut keys that you can use with Mural, as you can see right here. You can also go around and search for shortcuts that you want to use. For example, for copy, you can see it's Ctrl C as we used earlier. So here's duplicate, as you can see. So for duplicate, it's Alt and drag. So if I were to hold Alt in my keyboard and drag, you can see I can easily create out duplicates right here. For grouping, you can see that I can go around, Shift select out multiple things and press Ctrl Z to group things out over here as well. And to ungroup, it's, let's say for example, Control Shift and Z right here, just like that. So that is how what you can do is you can use the shortcut keys and access out the shortcut keys over here to speed up your workflow. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.